Hello there, this is going to be the first video in a quick little series of videos of how to create a simple Google site for your ePortfolio. Obviously, to begin with, you're going to need to sign into your Google account. So from Google, I'm actually going to work backwards. Instead of signing in first, I'm going to go to the Google Sites website just to show you where you would need to go. So you can click on the grid here, and if you do not see sites right here, you're going to just click more. If you don't see it here, you can click even more. Then you will just have to scroll until you find it. Here it is right here. I'm going to click on Google Sites. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And now here I am. I'm ready to go. Just wanted to show you the only reason why I logged in after now, because I do use Google Sites fairly regularly. Now when I click on the grid, it should be right here on your home screen. But if it's not, you would just have to click on more to go ahead and find it. Now, taking a look, here's a few sample websites that I've already created for other things, but I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new one by clicking Create. I'm going to name my site, let's call it Test Q 2017 Sites. I'm going to go ahead and use a blank template. There's a lot of different templates that you can choose from. I prefer just to use a blank template and design it from there. This is going to be the website that it will go to, and we have to double check to make sure we are not a robot. We will go ahead and click Create, and it will now go ahead and create our actual website just with a very simple template so we can go ahead and get started. And here it is. So we now have a website that's called Test Q 2017 Site. So you will notice that this website right now is very bland, very basic. There's no formatting to it whatsoever. We will add all of those things later. Right now we simply want to go ahead and create the website and add the pages that we want to. All I need to do is go up to right here where it says add or create page. My first page I'm going to put is language arts, and I'm going to hit create. You can see it has created the page. It's now on the sidebar. I will hit save. It's saving right now. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing again, create a page. I'm going to type in math, create, and it's creating that page again. It's going to drop it on the toolbar on the side. I'm going to hit save, and I will go ahead and repeat this for the rest of my content areas. I'm about to make my last page, which is going to be PE, and I just wanted to show you this real quick at the bottom too. When it says select a location, it defaults to put page at a top level, which that means it's going to stand alone as its own page. If you put it underneath something else, it's going to be a sub page, and it's a teeny bit harder to find, just a couple extra clicks. So always leave it at, put it at a top level, and just like the others, you're going to hit create, and then you are going to hit save when it's done. And now what you'll see is these are all of our different web pages that we have just created. In order to get to the home page, I can either click home or go up to Test Q Sites, and now here you go. Here is what your website looks like. It's taken about 3 minutes to create it. I have a home page, I have a language arts, math, PE, science, social studies, and sitemap. I actually am going to add one more page to this because I do want to add a resume page for students to be able to create their own resume. So notice that I went ahead and added the resume page. I think this is really important for the students. Obviously we're trying to teach them to be college and career ready, and every time you're applying for a job you're going to need a resume, so we added this one here as well. Now the one thing that you'll want to notice is all of these tabs right here, the different pages, they automatically default to alphabetical order, and in the next video I'll show you how to change that where you can put them in whatever order you like. So once again, this is our first video in our simple little steps that we're going to use for the Q 2017 ePortfolio presentation.